Morning, folks. Got a little pressure washing job right here, bleeding the line first. You should always do that. Just not much at all. Driveway. He said something about spider webs right here. I don't see any. But underneath here, sidewalk, curb. So you get the general idea. All right, let me go ahead and get started because I'm a bit behind with the weather. Let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see, let me step away. As you can see the difference already in the color of the concrete. So let us go ahead and continue on because we do have multiple jobs. We are kind of a bit behind, so let's go ahead and wrap this up. Just kind of rinsing it off after, making one more pass to be sure. But as you can see, it's coming clean. Just keeping you guys informed. Gunny here once again from Gunny Worm. We have wrapped up the pressure washing project of today. Not gonna get into it. We still behind on yards trying to beat the rain, but as you can see, the concrete is significantly brighter. It's still kind of drying out in some spots, no lines. That's what you want to see. All nice and clear. It's still kind of drying out, so bear with me, but as you can see, it's a lot different than before. 1000% different. We thank the gentleman and the wife for giving us the opportunity to serve them, but it's 1000% different. So once again, for all your lawn care, pressure washing, and car detailing needs, we are licensed and insured. Please contact us, and we are off to job number 2. See y'all later.